Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video is not a recipe as usually, but today we're gonna learn how to cook a Peruvian sausage for breakfast and how to reheat tamales. But what is the Peruvian sausage or salchicha huachana? Please read this. The first thing that we're gonna do is reheat the tamales. I do it in a pot with water and steam them for 10 to 15 minutes at medium heat. I don't use the microwave because the tamales dry up and I don't like it. Here I have the sausage. Some people cut into round or circular pieces. And other people open the sausage like this. In my case, I'm going to open the sausage like that. And the intestine, I don't throw it away because I like to eat it. Now I'm gonna place the sausage on a pan over medium heat. I don't think we need to use oil because the pork fat and meat have enough oil to cook this sausage. Now let's stir and let cook for a few minutes. Right now the tamales are hot, so let's turn off the heat and let them sit until we are ready to serve. Now guys, I'm going to use 4 eggs for the sausage. So I'm going to add them on the sausage and I'm going to stir quickly. And remember to turn off the heat because the pan is still pretty hot and the eggs are going to cook it in it. I'm cooking the eggs in this way so the eggs don't dry out. Now let's open the tamales. And wow, how delicious they look, very oily and smell so good. Here we have the sausage with eggs, and we are ready to serve the breakfast. Guys, please follow me on my social media so you can see my daily stories. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes, and she has her own videos every Saturday. Please stay tuned. And right here you have my social media again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my last videos. See you next time. Bye bye.